didn't come through the main door. You came through this door. So now, Mutuma, how will you move to that where the miss is? And you are not an honor member, you are not an MCA, not unless you tell me an MCA for Kedwanari. Then I'll agree on that.
And that's my word, Mr. Speaker. Kedwanari is my word.
Yes, but you are not the MCA.
But the question I'm asking is that you invited the governor to appear before you, answer to certain allegations and counts. She has evidence in response to your allegations. My hope was that you would guide me on how that evidence is supposed to be produced and utilized by the House.
Mutuma,
I am a stranger in this House,
Mutuma,
so your rules should be able to guide me.
Mutuma,
yes.
On even the members, they cannot read a document when they are there and they read that document. That is the procedure.
Mr. Speaker, sir, with all due respect, then I wish to be guided on how to provide you.
We have said on Mutuma that we are going to rely on the answered system. So whatever presentation that you make, please ensure it is captured.
Most of
and that's why I asked Danston Omari, my good brother, how many hours do you want? He said 2.5 hours. That's the procedure. Please continue.
Thank you so much. May we then have the ruling on whether the matters are sub judice or not before we can proceed on the substantive issue.
Mr. Speaker, sir, to finalize on that question of PO, look at the allegations of contempt against court orders.